Hi there, everybody. Welcome back. Let's continue. All right, all right. Remember, lembrem-se que nós já falamos, né, na lição anterior, in our previous lesson, sobre a quantidade, né? You can eat everything you want, but in small portions, small amounts, não é? Por pequenas quantidades, small amounts. Amount é uma quantidade, pode ser uma quantidade, amount of food, amount of money, amount of dishes, amount é quantidade. Então, no caso, a gente está falando agora, mantendo essa mesma ideia, two things to keep in mind about eating, right? When we talk about eating, when we think of eating, we must keep two things in mind. What must we keep two things in mind when we want to eat? We must remember portions, né? Quantidades, portions, porções, portions. Repeat, portions. Again, portions. And chewing, right? The more we chew, the less we eat. Very good. Look at this. What is this? This is a plate. Is this a plate? Yes, it is. What is this? It's a plate. What is there on the plate? There is food on the plate. Very good. But wait a minute. Attention to the preposition on the plate. Why not in the plate? There are the two possibilities. But when the plate is flat, é plano, é reto, flat, you say on the plate, né? Se o prato é aberto, é plano, é on, né? Agora, se o prato tem bordas que sobem ou uma tigela, aí você vai dizer in. All right? In this case, we're talking about a flat plate. So this is on. What is there on the plate? There is food on the plate. Is there food on the plate? Yes, there is. But look at this. You have four amounts of food, four portions of food, tá? São quatro porções. A comida está dividida em quatro porções, right? How many portions are there on the plate? There are four portions on the plate. How many portions are there on the plate? There are four portions on the plate. Portions of what? Portions of food, right? Pode ser portion of a lot of different things, right? Yeah. All right. So, two things to keep in mind about eating. How many things must we keep in mind about eating? We must keep two things in mind about eating. Must we keep two things in mind about eating? Yes, we must. How many things must we keep in mind about eating? Fantastic. We must keep in mind two things about eating, or we must keep two things in mind about eating, right? What are the things that we must keep in mind about eating? Very good. They are portions and chewing, right? What are the things we must keep in mind about eating? They are portions and chewing. The things are portions and chewing. Very good. The amount we eat and the number of times that we chew the food that we are eating. Right? Right. Very good. You must keep two things in mind. Must we keep two things in mind? Yes, we must. How about you? Must you keep two things in mind about eating? Yes, I must. You answer, right? Yes, I must. Must I keep two things? Sorry. Must I keep two things in mind about eating? Yes, you must. Must we keep two things in mind about eating? Yes, we must. Must she keep two things in mind about eating? Yes, she must. Must they keep two things in mind about eating? Yes, they must. Very good. All right. Agora, e se a gente não estiver falando de eating, mas de drinking? What about drinking? What about drink? Must we keep two things in mind about drinking? Yes, we must. How many things must we keep in mind about drinking? That's it. We must keep two things in mind about drinking. What are the two things that we must keep in mind about drinking? It's portions and drinking, no caso, né? A gente não vai falar. Na verdade, não. Bom, vamos fazer os faz de conta que são as mesmas regras. Na verdade, portion é a mesma coisa, né? A quantidade de bebida que a gente ingere, right? E agora, chewing não serve, né? Mas como a gente quer praticar a regra que se aplica, aí a gente vai praticar, faz de conta que são as duas coisas que a gente must keep in mind. Vamos trocar então. There is one thing that we must keep in mind about drinking. Drinking. How many things must we keep in mind about drinking? Fantastic. We must keep one thing in mind about drinking. Must we keep one thing in mind about drinking? Yes, we must. What is it? What must we keep in mind about drinking? Portions, amounts, né? Quantidades, amounts. A gente vai falar de porções em bebida, fica estranho, mas tudo bem, eu posso separar montinhos de bebida, né? São porções também. Melhor, então, amounts. Amount is the word that we must keep in mind. Amount, tá? Desde que eu era criança, que meu pai sempre repete: todo excesso é prejudicial, né? Faz mal. Every excess is Harmful. Harm é machucar, fazer mal. Harmful. Machucado, cheio, né? Harmful. Cheio de fazer mal. Então, every excess is harmful. That's why we must keep this thing in mind about everything, about eating, about drinking, about anything else in life. All right? All right. Então, the same, what about drinking? The same rule. Rule, we remember the word, right? What is a rule? A rule is something that we must respect, we must follow. Né? Uma regra, a rule. The same rule, portions, for example, the same rule we must keep in mind. The same rule applies. What is the meaning of the word, the verb to apply? Apply, to apply é aplicar, é colocar, aplicar. Então, eu vou aplicar essa regra nesta situação, tá? Não é aplicar uma injeção, tá? É aplicar alguma coisa numa situação. Então, eu vou aplicar essa mesma regra nessa situação diferente. Então, we must keep something in mind about eating. What about drinking? We must keep the same rule in mind about drinking. So, the same rule applies. Né? A mesma regra se aplica. The same rule applies. Repeat, the same rule applies. Again, fantastic, the same rule applies. Let's conjugate the verb to apply. I apply, you apply, he applies, she applies, we apply, you apply, they apply. Very good. I apply the same rule. Look at the preposition. I apply the same rule to drinking. I apply the same eating rule to drinking, right? Do I apply the same rule to drinking? Yes, you do. All right. Do we apply the same rule to drinking? Yes, we do. What rule do we apply? We apply the same rule. What rule does she apply? Very good. She applies the same rule. What rule does he apply? Perfect. He applies the same rule. What rule do they apply? They apply the same rule. Não é a mesma regra. They apply the same rule. Right? I want to eat sweets, doces. What must we keep in mind? We must keep portions in mind. We must keep in mind portions. I want to drink something. What rule must I apply? I must apply the portion rule. Né? A gente transforma a porção numa regra. A regra é porção, quantidade, right? Eu acho que deu para entender, não deu? All right, all right. Agora, a gente está falando de bebida, de comida, porque é importante para a gente entender que o nosso corpo responde ao que nós colocamos nele, certo? Ele responde, né? Ah, mas você fala responde, responde uma pergunta? Não, responde, é uma resposta. Por exemplo, a polícia respondeu ao chamado. Essa a resposta. Não é a resposta de uma pergunta, é a resposta de uma chamada, por exemplo. O nosso corpo responde. Eu não estou perguntando para ele o que ele está sentindo. Ele responde ao que nós colocamos nele, right? Então, our body responds to what we eat. Right? How does our body respond to what we eat? Attention to the preposition. How does our body respond to what we eat? How? Feeling well or feeling sick? Right? This is a response. É uma resposta from the body. This is a body response, right? Então, our body responds to what we eat. Let's conjugate the verb to respond. I respond. You respond. He responds. She responds. It responds, right? The body responds. We respond. You respond. They respond. All right. Does our body respond to what we eat? Yes, it does. What does our body do? It responds to what we eat. Does our body respond to what we drink? Yes, it does. What does our body do with what we drink? Our body responds to what we drink, right? Our body responds to the medicine we take, right? The body responds by how? By feeling well or by feeling sick, right? That's the response. To respond is the verb. The noun, né, o substantivo, the noun is the response, right? Repeat, the response. All right, depois vai aparecer tudo isso nas lições, ok? Perfect. Então a ideia é essa. Já estamos aprendendo mais um pouco para a gente prestar atenção nas nossas alimentações, no que a gente bebe. É por isso, that's why we can't take medicine without a prescription. All right? See you soon, everybody.